Hi guys, I'm Tony Hamlet. Welcome back to my channel, and this video is all about my visit to Goa, India's favorite destination and tourist center. Yes, it is Goa. Of course, it is going to be a budget traveling, and we will be trying to control our expense. That is, the individual expense below 10,000. Yes, you heard it right. Goan trip for 10,000, which includes the complete transportation charges, accommodation, food, and refreshments. And thus, our 12-hour journey from Bangalore to Goa starts. Good morning. We have reached Moor, and Panaji is 158 kilometers far from here. Just caused a lot of hairpins and came down. Yes, we had a peaceful sleep at night, and as we have booked an AC sleeper, so I would recommend the same to you guys too. Hello guys, good morning. At last I have reached Goa. So my and my friends' Goan journey starts today, right now. So we have reached here by 11:30. We have started by 7:30 from Bangalore, and we have reached by 11:30 in Goa. So right now I'm standing in front of Goan Madgaon bus stand. Yes, we have lots of autos over here as well as lots of buses, private buses actually. So I haven't seen any government buses over here. It's private buses, and those private buses are all mini buses actually. So it's a good experience, and the autos over here are of different kind because they have got doors, which I'm seeing for the first time. I've seen it in movies, but yeah, seeing it for the first time directly. So my both friends have gone to pick up scooters. So our whole Goan journey of 3 days will be on scooter, and I will be covering as much places as possible. So stay watching and subscribe to my channel to keep on watching further videos of Goa and other trips of mine. Thank you. Thus, we have received our scooters and we are rushing towards a hotel. Yes, we need to freshen up. And actually, talking about the scooters, it charges 400 per day. So we have booked it early. So it was close to the place where we have got down. That is Old Madgaon station. So we have collected the scooters from the left side over there. Yes, over there, left side. And on the right side, you can see the municipal office at Old Madgaon. Yes, that's a building, municipal office of Madgaon. I would definitely recommend the Byke, the hotel restaurant. Superb. It's located almost like in a hectare land. Lots and lots of villas, lots and lots of hotel rooms. Their buffet for breakfast, amazing, man. You should try. Close by there is a James Cafe Beach hut. Actually, it's really good and it's very live at night. And you can see that straight from the hotel. Opposite to it is again, it's a property of Byke Resorts, and it's a beach over there. You can see lifeguard straight ahead. Rushing towards a room, and yes, we have got the room keys. So I saw a superb swimming pool, and I saw a Thai spa center too. I'm gonna enjoy that. We had a quick freshen up and all are ready to head outside, and yeah, we are going to visit few places and get the refreshments for sure. Yeah, so I would update the details as well as regarding all the cost in the description. So do watch further videos of mine in Goa. So I will be visiting as many beaches as well as forts, as many different places in Goa. So all the details will be described in description. I've got a list of places like Chapora Fort, Aguda Fort, and Baga Beach. A lot of places, like I mean, a lot of beaches, man. I would be covering as many beaches as possible. Candolim, Kolva Beach, and Panolim Beach. Just goes like that. The whole list goes like that. Yes. So keep watching to my videos, further videos which is being posted immediately without much delay. And of course, I wouldn't disappoint you guys, and I will give you complete details and the cost that was involved for each and every places that we visited, so that you guys get the complete idea as where to go, what to do, and how much will be spent in each day, as well as how much would be the cost of each places and entry fees, regarding parking fees, everything in detail. I will be updating you guys. So please do encourage me by watching my videos and clicking on that like button, of course, that's the subscribe button, of course, and that keeps me encouraging to update more and more details and videos for you guys that will be helpful for you.